Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Align Toolbox on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find the different buttons. New, just click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen. And here go to the third section, the appearance settings, and here you can find the second option, the Align Toolbox movable to top edge. If you want to turn on this function, just click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. But if you want to turn off, just click that circle again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.